and I'm Ada. And today we're going to test some density. All you need is some coloring, water, a spoon, corn syrup, vegetable oil, a food container, an eraser, a rock, a carrot, a quarter, a nut, and a grape. First, you take the water, food coloring in it, and then you have to mix it up. And then you have corn syrup. Next, some water. And then last, vegetable oil. Start dropping them in. First, the eraser. Okay. Rock. A quarter. A nut. And a grape. The carrot and the grape only went to the water, and then the quarter, the nut, the grape, or not the rock, and the eraser went down to the corn syrup. Hardly anything went into the oil. Only the carrots up a little bit. And our science behind the experiment is even when you mix oil and water together, they still separate. The oil always flows through the top because it's less dense than the water. And the corn syrup right here is the most. That's why it goes to the bottom. And that's how you test some density.